Welcome to Lab 10, Configuring Network Settings. Open VMware, start your Server A, Server 2012, and your Client B, Windows 8.1 virtual machines. Log into Client B as the domain administrator, adatum/administrator. On the taskbar, right-click the Network Connections icon. Select Open Network and Sharing Center. In the Network Connection Sharing Center, click Change Adapter Settings. In the Connections dialog box, right-click Ethernet and choose Disable. Since I have more than one adapter installed, it's called Ethernet 0. Disable. With Ethernet already selected, click the Enable this network device button. This is to show you the two methods for disabling and enabling a network adapter. Right-click the Ethernet properties or Ethernet adapter and select Properties. Question 1. What type of adapter is the adapter using? And what they're asking is what's listed under the Connect Using for the adapter. And what you'll notice here is that we have a different virtual network adapter than what they use in the lab manual. So some of these may look a little different than the way that they appear in the lab manual. So we'll walk you through it on the video, which ones to choose. Click Configure. Go to the Advanced Properties dialog box, choosing the Advanced tab. Click Jumbo Packet. Question 2. What is the value of the Jumbo Packet configured to? That's the value. You may notice we have an Intel network adapter. The book shows a Broadcom one, so some of the options are going to be slightly different. We do have the Jumbo Packet, but some of the names of the other properties are going to be different. Each network adapter has a different advanced properties dialog sheet. Click Receive Buffer Size. For our driver, it's actually called Receive Buffers. What value is the receive buffer size set configured to? Click the Send Buffer Size, and for our network adapter it's called Transmit Buffers. This particular network adapter driver doesn't allow the setting for the next option. The next one says to the next step says to change send buffer size to 2 megabytes. If we try to set it, it's too low. So it gives you an error message. It's saying it needs to be at least 80. So we'll set it to 80. And click OK. So what they mention in the book is that the model of the network adapter that they list in the book may not be found on a virtual machine, only on a physical computer that has that network adapter installed. And that's because VMware uses particular adapters, and that's not one of them. Even the same with Hyper-V. Hyper-V uses virtual network adapters that are all the same, and they don't include this particular one. Question 5. You have a 1 gigabit adapter and you want to reduce the speed to 100 megabits. Which setting would you select from figure 11.2 to reduce the speed, and which value would you select? I believe they mean their figure 10-2, which is the advanced dialog box sheet of your network adapter. So we'll go in to our network adapter, choose properties, configure, and then we have the advanced tab for ours. So if you select speed and duplex, you'll see a list of the speeds you can change to. So we cancel that. You go close this and go back to the Network and Sharing Center window. This time we're going to choose Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Question 6. What is the current profile? Typically after you join a domain, your profile will be set to domain. What is the status of question 7, sorry. What is the status of network discovery, and what is the status of file and printer sharing? So in previous examples we've turned both of these on. Expand private. Question 8. What is the status of network and discovery, and what is the status of file and printer sharings? For private. You can see those on the list. Expand guest or public. What is the status of network discovery, and what is the status of file and printer sharing? Then expand all networks. Question 10. Is public folder sharing turned on, or is it turned off? It's listed right here. And that's the answer. Take a screenshot of the advanced sharing settings window by pressing Alt Print Screen, and then paste it into your lab worksheet. Then close the advanced sharing settings window. For the lab challenge, we'll need a wireless network adapter, so we'll do that in another video. To do the lab challenge, you'll need a USB wireless network adapter, which you may not have at home. I'm going to try to bring them to class so that we can actually do the lab challenge in class. Although it's not going to be graded, you'll at least see how to configure wireless network adapters.